I believe that being a woman is a superpower. My name is Carolina Garcia, and I am the Director of Original Series at Netflix. What I do is I help pick, hopefully, the best shows to bring to audiences. And I work with creators and writers to bring those stories to life, to hopefully create something that the world will love and enjoy. If we had a crystal ball, all of the shows that we programmed would be the biggest hits in the world. Unfortunately, it's really hard to predict what is going to strike and what is going to puncture the zeitgeist. So what I really rely on when picking shows is my intuition, my heart, and my instinct. So when someone's telling me a story, if I'm moved by that story, there's no algorithm in the world that's going to be able to predict that human movement in me. Growing up, I think Latino immigrants, I'll speak personally, you just want to fit in. You just want to be part of the Americana and really be the same as everyone else. I remember growing up, I have a pretty cool name. My name's Carolina. And I always was like, why can't my name just be Sarah or Jessica or just your, whatever the American name was, because I really wanted that to fit in. And now I'm like, oh, Carolina, that was your superpower. Being who you were was your superpower. You did not have to be anyone else. It's important to have examples and visible examples of people that look like you doing things that you aspire to do and to be. Part of it is making sure that in the casting, we are representing a full breadth of who can do what role. So part of my job is to pay it forward and to open the door and create new opportunities for Latino excellence to come through the door and foster that talent. I think women especially, and I know this is true for me, growing up, I always wanted to think like one of the guys. It used to be there was only one seat at the table for a woman, and women were often, trying to make way for themselves to be that woman. And now we've created more seats. And it's not at the expense of anyone else, but it really is just about opening up opportunity for other people to come join the table. Honestly, the more the merrier. Like, why not?